Good morning, students. మీకు నెక్స్ట్ క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. సో ఈరోజు క్లాసెస్లో టాపిక్ నేమ్ ఇస్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్. What are carbohydrates? Simple. Hydrates of carbon. Hydrates of carbon. Hydrates of carbon. Hydrates of carbon means CxH2O taken Y-types. Hydrates of carbon. What is hydrate? H2O. Hydrates of carbon. The general formula of carbohydrates CxH2O taken Y types. The best example for the CxH2O taken Y types. Example: glucose C6H2O taken 6 times. In case of sucrose C12H2O taken 11 times. This is the example for the general formula of the hydrates of carbon. These two are obeyed for the general formula of CxH2O taken by times. Another example will give C6H2O taken. For example, more example, C6H12O5. This one is not obey for the general formula of its CxH2O taken by. ఏం చెప్తున్నాను? Carbohydrates means hydrates of carbon. Simple. Hydrates of carbon. First of all, what is hydrate? What are hydrates? Hydrates means H2O. The general formula of hydrates of carbon CxH2O taken Y times. Simple example: CxH2O taken Y times glucose and sucrose. Glucose C6H2O taken 6 times, sucrose C12H2O taken 11 times. Number of examples for the satisfying general formula. This CxH2O taken Y times. Number of examples: C6H12O5. ఇది ఈ రూల్ని ఒబే చేయదు. సో హైడ్రేట్స్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్ అనే ఫార్ములా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేకపోయినది. సో ద మోడ్రన్ డెఫినేషన్ ఫర్ ది కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఇప్పుడే చెప్పుకున్నాము. ఓల్డెన్ డేస్లో కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్కి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఏమని ఇచ్చింది చూడండి. హైడ్రేట్స్ ఆఫ్ కార్బన్, దట్ ఈస్ CxH2O taken Y times. ఈ రూల్ని కొన్ని మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఒబే చేస్తుంది, కొన్ని మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఒబే చేయలేదు. సో మోడరేట్గా కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ మీన్ డిఫీజన్ ఏమంటే ద polyhydroxy hydroxy, ketones and aldehydes. Ketones and aldehydes are called as carbohydrates. First time hydrates of carbon. Hydrates of carbon carbohydrates. The general formula of hydrates of carbon CH2 taken by terms. బట్ కొన్ని మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఆ రోల్ని ఒబే చేస్తున్నాయి, చేయలేదు, కొన్ని మాలిక్యూల్స్ చేయలేదు. సో సింపుల్గా ఏమని చెప్పినాడు, మోడరేట్ డెఫినేషన్ ఫర్ ది కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఈజ్ ద polyhydroxy ketones and aldehydes are called as carbohydrates. This is the definition and information about carbohydrates. Next goes to classification of carbohydrates. Classification. Carbohydrates classification. They are classified into several types based on the number one. First classification based on the taste. Number one, based on the taste. Based on the taste. Number two, based on the hydrolysis. Based on the hydrolysis. Number three, based on the functional group. Number four, based on the number of carbons. Mainly E4 classifications. Right? Carbohydrates are classified into mainly four types. The first one is based on the taste, second one is based on the hydrolysis, third one is based on the functional group, fourth one is based on the number of carbons. One by one explanation. First of all, based on the taste. Taste is based on there are two types. One of the clear sugars. Second one, non-sugars. Second one, based on the hydrolysis. There are number one, monosaccharides. Number two, oligosaccharides. Number three, polysaccharides. These three are the part of based on the hydrolysis of carbohydrates. Third one goes to based on the function. There are again two types. Number one, based on the functional group. First one is ketones. Second one is aldose. One more explanation. Based on the number of carbons, there are again triose, tetrose, pentose, and hexose. These are the parts of the classification. First one, based on the taste, these are the two types of carbohydrates. Number one, sugars. Number two, non-sugars. Sugars means బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ది టేస్ట్. టేస్ట్ చూడడానికి స్వీట్గా ఉంటే షుగర్స్, లేకుంటే నాన్ షుగర్స్. ఫర్ ది షుగర్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్, షుగర్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఈ షుగర్స్ క్రిస్టలిన్ ఫామ్లో ఉంటాయి. క్రిస్టలిన్ ఫామ్. నాన్ షుగర్స్ అమార్ఫస్ లో ఉంటాయి. అమార్ఫస్. క్రిస్టలిన్ చూడడానికి క్రిస్టల్స్, మనకున్న ఇంట్లో చూసి షుగర్స్ క్రిస్టల్స్. అమార్ఫస్ మీన్స్ like powder. Based on the taste, there are two types. Number one, sugars. చూడడానికి స్వీట్గా ఉంటాయి షుగర్స్, లేకుంటే నాన్ షుగర్స్. షుగర్స్ అన్ని క్రిస్టల్ ఫామ్లో ఉంటాయి, నాన్ షుగర్స్ అన్ని అమార్ఫస్లో ఉంటున్నాయి. ద బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ ది షుగర్స్ గ్లూకోజ్ అండ్ ఫ్రక్టోజ్. ఫర్ ది నాన్ షుగర్స్ స్టార్చ్. The classification. Then based on the hydrolysis, there are three types: monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. What are monosaccharides? Monosaccharides means mono means single. Simple. The carbohydrates undergoes hydrolysis. Based on the hydrolysis, so definition, the carbohydrates undergoes hydrolysis. It gives further గా ఇంకేమైనా products ఇవ్వకపోవచ్చు. Monosaccharides means further గా ఇంకా సింపుల్ షుగర్స్ ఇవ్వవు. ఎందుకు? ఉన్నాయో మోనో మీన్స్ సింగిల్ ఉన్నాయి, ఫర్దర్గా హైడ్రాలైజ్ అవ్వవు. సో దట్ ఈస్ సింపుల్ డెఫినేషన్. ద కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ విచ్ డోంట్ హైడ్రోలైజ్డ్ ఫర్దర్ టు సింపుల్ షుగర్, ఫర్దర్గా హైడ్రోలైజ్ అవ్వవు. ద కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ విచ్ డోంట్ హైడ్రోలైజ్ further to simple sugars are called as monosaccharides. The best example for the monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, both are example for the monosaccharides. Then oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides, simple, the carbohydrates which undergoes hydrolysis to form 2 to 10 monosaccharides. 2 to 10 monosaccharides. Oligosaccharides means carbohydrates hydrolyzes 2 to 10 monosaccharides is what means oligosaccharides. Simple. The carbohydrates undergoes hydrolysis to give 2 to 10 monosaccharides. These are called as oligosaccharides. The best example for the oligosaccharides is sucrose, maltose, and maltose. Then last one is polysaccharide. Polysaccharides means the carbohydrates which undergoes hydrolysis to form number of monosaccharides. This number of monosaccharides. The best example for the polysaccharides is starch and cellulose. Next classification, third one is based on the functional group. Based on the functional group, there are two types of carbohydrates. Number one, ketose. Number two, aldose. Ketose means it's contains keto function. These carbohydrates are contained keto function. That type of carbohydrates are called as ketosis. In case of aldose, these carbohydrates are having aldose function. Aldehydic function group. So these type of carbohydrates are called as aldoses. Once again, I repeat. What is that? Based on the functional group, there are two types of carbohydrates. Number one, ketosis. Number two, aldoses. Ketosis means these type of carbohydrates having keto function group. In case of aldehyde function group, there are what is that? Aldoses. There are two types, ketosis and aldoses. Carbohydrates are having keto function group. The carbohydrates are called as ketosis. In case of the carbohydrates are having aldehyde function group, that type of carbohydrates are called as aldoses. The last one is based on the number of carbon atoms. Based on the number of carbon atoms, based on the number of carbon atoms, carbohydrates are classified into four types. Number one, triose. Number two, tetrose. Number three, pentose. Number four, hexose. Triose means these type of carbohydrates having three carbon atoms. Remember, three carbon. Tetrose means these type of carbohydrates having four carbon atoms. Pentose, these type of carbohydrates are having five carbon atoms. For hexose, these type of carbohydrates having six carbon atoms. So, based on the number of carbon atoms, the carbohydrates are classified into four types: thioses, tetroses, pentoses, and hexoses. What is thiose? These type of carbohydrates having three carbon atoms. What is tetrose? These type of carbohydrates having four carbon atoms. These type of carbon atoms are having five carbon atoms. Six carbon. Out of them, hexose is most important because of glucose. Example is glucose and fructose. These are essential carbohydrates in human life or in everyday life. What is that? Hexose sugar. Hexose sugars. Main important carbohydrates are glucose and fructose in the part of hexose. Because of glucose and hexose both are having six carbon atoms. The molecular formula of glucose C6H12O6 and fructose also C6H12O6. Glucose having aldehydic functional group, so the glucose molecule is nothing but the glucose aldohexose. Aldo means having aldehydic function group and six carbon. But in case of fructose, nothing but ketohexose. Nothing but what is the fructose? Ketohexose. Ketohexose means fructose having keto function group at the same time six carbon atoms. So the other name is ketohexose. Aldohexose means carbohydrate containing aldehydic functional group having six carbon atoms. Ketohexose means aldehydic keto functional group. These carbohydrates contains keto functional group and six carbon atoms. Again, repeat. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates means hydrates of carbon. The molecular formula of carbon carbohydrates CH6 taken white tiles. ఈ ఫార్ములాని ఈ జనరల్ ఫామ్ లోని అన్ని కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాయి. సో ద మోడరేట్ డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఈజ్ ద polyhydroxy ketosis or aldoses are called as carbohydrates. The next one is classification of carbohydrates. Classification of carbohydrates means carbohydrates are classified into four types, mainly four types. Number one, based on the taste, based on the hydrolysis, based on the function, and based on the carb. Based on the taste, carbohydrates are two types. Number one, sugars and non-sugars. Based on the taste, carbohydrates are two types. Number one, sugars. Number two, non-sugars. Sugars is nothing but like crystalline form. Non-sugars like amorphous. For the example of sugars, glucose. For the example of non-sugars, starch. This is the classification of carbohydrates based on the taste. Number two, based on the hydrolysis. Based on the hydrolysis, carbohydrates are again three types. Number one, monosaccharides. Monosaccharides means the carbohydrates which undergoes hydrolysis do not give further simple sugars. They are called as monosaccharides. Simple sugar hydrolysis available. So what we know? Monosaccharides. The best example for monosaccharides, glucose and fructose. In case of oligosaccharides, the carbohydrates which undergoes hydrolysis to give 2 to 10 types of monosaccharides are called as oligosaccharides. The best example for the oligosaccharides, sucrose, maltose. These two are the best example for the oligosaccharides. In case of third type of the carbohydrates, that is polysaccharides. Polysaccharides means the carbohydrates which undergoes hydrolysis to give number of monosaccharides is called as polysaccharides. The best example for the polysaccharides, starch and cellulose. This is the classification of carbohydrates based on the hydrolysis. In case of third one is classification of carbohydrates based on the functional group. Based on the functional group, carbohydrates are again two types. Number one, ketose. Number two, aldose. Ketose means the carbohydrates having keto functional group, nothing but ketoses. The carbohydrates having aldehyde functional group is called as aldoses. This is the classification of carbohydrates based on the function. Third and fourth one is based on the carbon atoms. Based on the carbon atoms, carbohydrates are four types. Number one, triosis. Number two, tetrosis. Number three, pentosis. Number four, hexosis. Triosis means the carbohydrates having three carbon atoms. Tetrosis means the carbohydrates having four carbon atoms. The carbohydrates having five carbon atoms. The carbohydrates having 6 carbon atoms, but hexosis. Out of these four, hexosis is most important because of glucose and fructose. Both are hexose sugars. But glucose and fructose having common formula C6H12O6. Glucose is nothing but aldohexose. Fructose is nothing but ketohexose sugar. Aldohexose sugar means having 6 carbon atoms with aldehyde functional group. Fructose having 6 carbon atoms with ketose functional group. So this is the classification of carbohydrates. Compulsory in between అవ్వాల్సిన notes maintain చేయాలి. వాళ్ళని చెక్ చేస్తాను. మీరు notes maintain చేయండి. నాకు స్కాన్ చేసి ఫైల్ పంపించాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.